and I'm live back. Welcome to Open Workshops WEB&TechSmart at edoga. I'm Eddy. I'll work on my website WordPress, learning on the fly, trial by fire. Join the open workshop, maybe you'll learn something, skill that might get you a job in IT. This is again not a tutorial type of content. But I provide an insight for curious ones into, let's say, website, creating websites, managing websites. Website is already set up and created, running, domain, shared hosting is on. But now I'm working on the visuals, like editing, authoring, graphical design, visual styles, those tiny details. I'm back here, dashboard, back to back to the editor. This is experimental theme design, template pages. Oh, this is a test page. This is test page created in Theme Designer. Cool. And default template is pages. Swap template for edit template for the pages. Cool. Gotcha. Music loud, music quiet, music a little bit quieter. Pop out chat, Twitch, pop out activity feed. There is I'll just say security reason why I stopped the stream, to prevent leaking info, sensitive info from my workflow here. There are few flaws in the WordPress plugins, distribution and publishing. See myself on the bolt, just prepping stuff. Pop out Bolt plus TV chat. Give me YouTube stream dashboard. So if anyone is just tuned into stream, I'm exploring deeper this somewhat new now, in deeper with the block themes, WordPress block themes, full site edit. Just waiting for YouTube to load dashboard so I can pop out the give me YouTube, give me YouTube. Pop that chat there, and pause and lower the video preview resolution. Live chat though. Okay, got everything on the dashboard here. I was mentioning a few streams ago about using in Windows Power Toys the fancy zones to like window manager for desktop, for Windows arrangement, active Windows, to arrange the zones where and how the windows would be arranged on the desktop. What I figured around so far is that if I stop clicking around, that would be way better. Theme. So theme, apply theme, apply theme, front page. Now I'll go now out of this page into designer, and that's cool. That is cool. Going out of here into, go back into editor. Because in the editor I want to make sure what front page style theme I'm using, what theme is applied to front page. I've created a front page theme. Front page became active. Front page became active. I want a new template for the front, for a landing page. Landing page. Okay, I might use patterns for that. Even if I use a template like Pages, it's still possible to circumvent some content layout restrictions imposed by the higher level parent template. As I want to make this type of thing. If I click here front page displays my site. Okay, front page displaying my site, and I select edit. Alamin. Alamin are watchman and bolt. You need someone on the stream to watch your back. Talk to Alamin on Bolt TV. So I am now in the front page template. What is this now? Am I in the template editor or front page editor? Is this a page? Block? Template? Block? Page. So I'm editing a template. I got it. So this template is acting as a front page. I got that. Got it. And that's the, in a sense, imposed functionality. How can I get a block home? How can I get this page back to? So this is is this page or template? Block home. Why is it sitting? They messed up something here. They mixed up here pages and they mixed up here pages. They mixed it badly. But I'm getting closer to what I'm aiming at. Custom page layout. Do I need a template for my page, landing page? Do I need a template for my page? So far, templates in this theme provided act mainly as a blueprint. Front page. How can I get rid of this front page list? I would need anyway, I would need to. How can I get rid of it? Manage all pages. Managing all pages brings me in the dashboard that shows the pages, and one of them, hey Alman, how you doing? Alman. Hello there. Friendship, how you doing? And it's not listed, front page is not listed here, and it's not showing in the settings reading section. So latest posts, that page. And for the backers here, for the backer, posing in the cloud, in the clothing department, clothing store. Sure do, you sure did light it up. It's bright and brightened up, and put some weight on it. I'm having a side party, and I'm looking. So this is time of day, I guess. What's going on? 8 Tuesday, 8:30 Asia, mid-afternoon, early evening Americas, and 1:37 for me. I've been sort of productive today, but it's more of the abstract stuff about the new workflow in WordPress with block themes, full site edit themes. Well, anyway, for the chat on Bolt, my chat in stats always shows 0. That's either a bug or just not counting, showing it to me on my backend. So concerning stats, and I don't mind, it's just something I'm pointing out. I don't know, does it actually show in their database for the weekly top chats in the channel chats in the Bolt Plus. So that static page, it works like that. That is okay, just checking something, that's cool. Cool down a little the music in the background. So in the static page list, what's showing? Home page, post list, these are these. So it doesn't read the pages from the theme that exists here in the theme editor. That's good to know. This old traditional WordPress dashboard needs some updating. They need to catch up with this concept of full site block themes. Well, this template appeared as can I delete this front page template? Manage all templates. Can I delete my template? Front page edoga here. Attachment, delete this. Yeah, delete front page, and I'll switch back to what will site be looking like now? Did I break the site? No. Delete cache. Deleting cache. Block home. Now my site is using block home, and in the pages, what am I seeing? Block home. Okay, this represents on its own somehow block home default. This is our defined in the theme. What is the representation of block home? Okay, so I'll revert it to default. The theme is reverted to default. Null. Why is this saying null? Don't show null. Speak English. I might just do one more thing here for the precautionary measure. One notch down. Yeah, like this. Cool, got it. This will be much safer this way. Maybe a little more finesse. Cropping the view like this, or even hiding my username. Maybe hide it. Hide. I'll hide it like this. Hide all. Back to editor. So while I'm looking for do I need a new theme, new template for my page? Do I need template for a page? Page template. What do I get? Okay, let's check. Let me check about template. If I create new, I've got templates, attachment blank, alternative, 3 columns test. Let me experiment with this. What's in the all templates? All templates, 3 column test. Attachment can go to trash. 3 columns test. Rename, delete. 3 column test. Is this empty? I pressed skip. Skipped. Template. So how do I edit? Add template parts. Butters, footers, headers. My headers. Where's my header? Load it. My headers. This is a header that includes a customized header. Header that includes a header. Pattern in a pattern. So here in editor they show these patterns, and in the But if I go into editor, I don't see those patterns. I see them as patterns. Oh yeah, cool, got it. So I can see them as patterns. And patterns hold template parts, footer general manage all patterns, manage all patterns, footers, headers, featured footers, posts, not all patterns, posts, headers, footers, all patterns. 1, 2, 3. Is this true patterns? Create new pattern, and then create pattern. They all also in a create pattern provide a pattern like a blueprint. Full what? What? Add new pattern. Is there a marketplace store patterns store? Set pattern things added where it's used. Listen, I'm going out of here. Yeah. Patterns and one more back into editor. I already forgot, did I click add new pattern or manage all my patterns? Did I click this managing all patterns? Going to manage all patterns. Where is this taking me? To dashboard. And where is this in the dashboard? This doesn't exist in dashboard. Plugins, appearance, comments, pages. It's not media, it's not posts. Settings, no. File organizer. It's not here. Oh, there's a lot of work required here on dashboard to be done. They need to sync this functionality with these block editor. So in this thingy, I'm looking for a header. Why doesn't it show titles here? What's in the filter? All the pattern directory, theme and plugins, user. Synced all pattern directory. Theme and what's the pattern directory? Where is that? Theme and plugins. User. Nothing in user, that's not true. Pattern directory. Pattern directory. And theme and plugin. Now it looks like the dashboard is just the administration part, while this editor section is completely new user interface in level of administration, also in WordPress. With the image, I'll try this for this. So template, do I have a header now? doesn't this template now have a header? Undo. Add a pattern. Add a pattern. Blocks, media, patterns, footers, headers. And I'm looking for the specific theme and plugins user all synced. Pattern directory. So which one is this the active one? Which one is this? Simple header. Simple header. Simple header tagline. Oh, it's tagline. Okay, simple header with dark background. And what is this? Control K. Search for commands. Add header. Attachment, that's the template, and these are template parts. Let's say I use this. So template part. Why am I in a template part? Why am I not in the template? Can I go back into template? Save. Just change the part, use this time 3. Okay, so can I go back in template? Template part, saving. Did this change in a way, anyway, my website? It shouldn't, because this template part is not active. And I should be in the theme. So the delete template, toggle spotlight mode, templates. Wow, I should be here, and it should look the same. This, come on. Hey, skip. This template should be updated with One, two, three, four, five. I'm fifth. I'm fifth on both. That's good. Keep it, push it, grind it. So I'm actually this is almost my first time messing around with these templates in this way, and they are really silly. So this is switching the, how can I search standard image left header, yeah, heading, header, so where is my template part? How can I add a template part? Not a pattern, I want to add a template part. Where are the template parts? Featured footers. I'm not looking for patterns, I'm looking to add a template part. Block. Is that the block? Media header, design, theme, navigation site logo, that template part. Come on. Okay, thank you. So in blocks, so template part is a block, is a specialized block. Cool, got it. Okay. So far what I'm learning is to do it. Cool. Go down, adding show note. So template parts are in the section in the editor left panel. Cool. Learning a lot. This is even I'm like just running in circles, but actually I'm actually running not with scissors. This is not running with scissors. This is running with a surgical equipment. This is surgical equipment. A mental iron brain marathon. And so in the library there are four, let's say four so far, this specific topic videos. And if you're looking for a way to jump in and figure out on the fly, just listening on the side, newer standard in, let's say, website building, editing WordPress, it will take you a day or two to go through these couple hours of my videos to get to this same point. And maybe if you go for, let's say, paid course, paid bootcamp, maybe you'll miss something with more with more attendees on the course, maybe you'll miss a point, some abstraction, but here you have a recorded sequence of videos, and if you listen it on your own time over and over, couple hours, like altogether, not even 10 hours so far, maybe up to 10 hours. So I think it might be worthwhile in maybe something worth doing, except for difference, to make a difference, maybe constantly getting some entertaining content, try get some education content. I myself learned a lot in these. When did I start? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and now my 4 days. In average 2-3 hours streaming, so 6, 8, 10 hours altogether. It's like one school day, plus extra classes. I do have a background in WordPress websites management administration, but for this new stuff I'm using for WordPress in WordPress Block Themes are kind of new concept altogether, brought in WordPress some time ago, or it could be 2-3 years now, and I was using old type of theme, not block theme. Because this theme uses the templates that were not used in old themes, and these templates bring out some new ideas into play, new concepts. I did make now a couple of full circles around. Even the first run around of that one of this first circle, second circle didn't seem much productive, but actually now going in the third round I'll figure it out, especially now when I've found that the template parts are in blocks section. That's how I can create a theme reusing the template parts. Not create theme, create a template, reusing template parts. Correction over there. So I've got existing template part, which is a header. Why is this bit sitting over here? This is how it should be. This way. Should I group this site logo and site title? Maybe I group it. Do I group them? Huh? Group them? Huh? Group. How would that work? Huh? How's that working for you? Disable this. no big deal. Enable row. Okay, row. Now they're a row. What will this do for them? Nothing. Spacer. Justification. Top. Align top. That will bring text over there. Stretch to fill. Stretch to fill. What will that do? For text that doesn't apply. Text doesn't work that way. That's not the type of content. So maybe I should try this row, little row, teeny beany row. Wrap multiple lines. Orientation maybe downwards, huh? What do I get this way? No. No, not stack. Convert it back to a row. Transform the group, center, left, right, center. Disable this. Select row. Justify item, center. Okay, so that's the start. I can add a new. I can add a footer, but it's not imported at the moment. Right now, footer is not imported. So, what other template parts are there? Template parts. Template part. This is just declaration for definition of template part. If I select this, choose which template part. Template parts. These are the existing ones. There should be a footer. Come on. Is there a footer? Footer. Okay, there's a footer. Footer. Post meta footer. I want footer. So existing or blank. Cool. Getting somewhere. Building new template. Cool. One, two, three, four, five. Fifth on the Wolf Plus featured stuffs. And if I click here it goes, that's the bit, this is the bit. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it is. Come on. Give it to me. Give that. Push. What was that part, ladies and gentlemen? The peak, the peak. Going, adding new show note, going through managing and authoring. Get some adrenaline in the show, running. Going through managing and authoring templates or in a block theme, block theme. That's an important to know, point out. Ooh, party going weird way. Party getting into weird part. Is it happy? Is it sad? Is it scary party? What type of party is this? Where's the man? Where's the man? Where's the candy man on the party? Have you seen it? Have you seen the dude? Where's the dude? Where's the dude? It's really late at my place, and okay, so what I want to do, this is simple now. In a way, I know what I need to do. I'll just do an inspection. Click here, add plus. Right after that, I'll search for template paths, headers, comments, protected video. Template part. Okay, so I got distracted by whiny farty whining about the game. I can say that as a 50-year young man, I can say that. Comments, post meta. This is template part, but why are they represented this way? Comments. Is this the specialized template part? Comments. Meta footer. So temp, delete. Image, y image temp, image temp. Okay. Temp description, paragraph, spaces, alt, logo, list, columns. Okay, I can close this and just browse through. No, I will not search, go through this text. These are the old blocks, old type of blocks. Media design, not looking for, am I looking for a design, column, stack. Now I'm looking actually to bring the posts to display in a 3-column way, posts, but that are categorized. Better organization of posts. Better, more efficient, because the default post structure shows all posts together, no distinction, over there. And I might even do that on the main template theme implementation. I might even do that, but I'll first experiment here. Widgets, design, widgets. Custom HTML, that's a widget. Is that a widget? Is that widgets? Design. Footnotes, quote, pre-formatted text design, widgets, theme, embeds, silly embeds. I don't need that. So custom HTML is a widget. That's a widget. Latest comments, latest posts, categories list, calendar, archives. Date, archive of posts, calendar, categories. How that look? This looks like this. Calendar looks like this. Archives look like that. Custom HTML has no preview, specific preview, latest posts, nothing to show latest posts. Okay, that's the latest posts. Latest posts. Page list. Page list, RSS. Search, okay, got that idea, got it. Search, index. Cool, site icon, cool, so shortcode with WordPress additional custom elements. Okay. Site tagline, that's not important. Query loop is the thing. Post list is here in theme. But this is different post list than this. This is a widget type, and this is a query loop actually. And then Here are the template parts, avatar title, excerpt, features, which content, query loop, post list, excerpt content author, modified date for an entry poster page. Okay. Categories, list of items for the taxonomy categories, tags, next post, read more comments, previous post, next post, tags, pagination. Where is the pagination? Pages, comments, active search, archive title, author biography, term description, pagination. Some of the blocks are related, are part of the higher structure, like pagination is part of query loop, that type of element, and it's not shown here. I don't see pagination. Just to test how this works. PAG. That's how this works. Pagination, close. Blocks, go back to blocks. So I want to create a type of query loop. Post lists, theme, widget. I'll create a section called widgets. Call widgets and dump here just widgets, dump them. Dump 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. Okay, I'll put in here I'm adding a row of with 3 stacks. I'll try that flow game of flow. Valid code blocks, be TikTok. No. Row 1. First row element. What's this? Row. Set the stack. So I got a row with a stack, and in this stack I will add. I want to add what is in the blocks. In blocks, let's say I want something silly like a widgets archives. Let's say I'll put in archives, and this archive should be inside this stack. Yeah, in a stack, that's it. What else do I want to stack in here in this stack? Do I add more stuff in stack? Or just add the next group? I don't need a stack. I won't be stacking stuff. Or maybe yes, no, yes, no, no. 2 stacks, 1 row with 2 stacks, a row with 2 stacks in a row. So I'll try forcing these elements. Archives. Are you funny? Becca, you funny. What you doing? What you doing, Becca? What you doing? What you doing? And there is a calendar. Right after calendar, I'm adding. Do you have enough rope? Just kidding. Just kidding around. It took me 3 hours to get in the zone, in the flow, but I did figure quite a few abstractions around this topic. So is this all in one stack? Yeah, this is all in the same stack. So I add another stacko. The second stacko. Seta. A channel Tarzan. Are you a streamer channels Jane? Tarzaning around. Is that it? Stack and a stack. So in this row I set alignment top, like this. Topo, yes, topo. And in this I take browse all, and from blocks I selected categories list that I have, and now latest posts, or maybe for comments I have none. Take latest posts. Yeah, I take latest posts. Yeah, latest posts. Yeah, got it. Then I add page list. Is that? Did I add page list? No, this is categories. Then a page list. So these are all widgets. This is good. This is good utility to allow free roaming of a website. This is what I needed, and I was quite silly not to look into it. And I'll add a clad tag cloud, clad tag cloud tags, cloud tags. Hey, farty mouth boy. Oh my, fart is talking to God. Where's that going, farty? Oh my. Oh my. Talking to God. Talking to God. No. Huh? Talk to God. Talk to God. Hey. So what else going on here? Close this. I've got three there that are not aligned. These are not aligned. This would look like what? This is a template. Now this is a silly. I can't preview this. That's the issue. Mobile. How would this work on mobile? This just won't work on mobile, my dear. This wouldn't work well. Well, it's just that type of content, too wide and so on, for it to work on the emerging. Tablet. How would this work on a tablet? Not bad. So this is just the test of the widgets. And to sort this out, to sort out these widgets, what do I have in a row? How to justification, layout, change items, justification, stack. Okay, so unlike columns, the stack and rows doesn't impose restrictions on. This is just inner content, stretch items, left multiple lines, that's in the stack. So depending, what if I enable, well, row should allow, this should be allowed for content. So the columns would impose more strict left column content spread in a page. Where's this party going? So that's it. This is the stack, and that was the row. So there are two aspects for template. Just arrange layout. And what about the content? What about content in the template? What's the editable section of template? Smallest categories pattern character. What pattern categories? What's the pattern category? What should that be? Pattern categories. Wow. Tags. Show post count of posts. Show post counts. Pardon. And this spreads the full width. How did I constrain in previous design? Here on this page, I've got it constrained. I think I do. So I have here on this sister website, Croatian, I've got this page with tag cloud, and here is, so this is center column. How would this work in this content? Is there any other justification space between? It doesn't work with widths. Which element works with widths? Groups, images, space between. How about space between these? Space between and center. Let's center. Stretch items. Center. Centering. Well, next adding a new group. I'll add a group. Add gr group. Group. Group blocks together, select layout blocks, group, gather blocks in a container, range blocks horizontal, that's a row, and this is a stack. Pattern. Oh, what? Okay, cool, got it. So here Here I browse all and add up a game of blocks, going down the widgets, went through widgets, underlined links so last year. Theme, query loop, post list, title, excerpt, featured image, content, author name, modified date, categories. Categories? Terms from the taxonomy categories. Display a list of assigned. Nothing is assigned here. No assignment here. Transform the tags block. It doesn't have the data. This needs data. This requires data. Convert to tags columns group. No, I can just delete it. Completely delete it, get into blocks. So only thing I would take from this is theme post list, excluding sticky posts. Okay, tagline, site tagline for loop, feature image, post list, and it will probably provide me a why start blank, why choose, give me choose a. So again, patterns, choose a pattern for this type of thingy. Grid, large title, small, there are quite a few of these to load now. One, oh, this is 3 columns, so this is a grid column view. Offset, so we got large title, image at left, full width post with uppercase. Maybe like this with this music. Everything is loaded, visual desktop page. So this is this offset? This is offset. Post list, columns, grid, large title, full width, standard, offset, grid, standard. This is standard. This is standard for you. Small image and title, small image and title. Grid. Ah, okay. I got it. So I don't need. This is the recent posts. Okay, I understand recent posts. Okay, choose a pattern, and I choose. Choose. Since this is a grid, it will apply. I need this. So this structure that I brought in is a query loop, and this is my categories. That is just silly thing here sitting. And query loop has this post template. Post template represents what is read, what parts for the post are shown from the database, and it has a few here display settings, like how many items, replace with what. No, I don't need to replace a pattern. And here there are more options for the block. A new post. Inner blocks use layout in nested will fill the width of this container. Nested blocks toggle to constrain. Content width. Nested blocks use content with options for full and wide widths. Custom data are assigned to center of wide comma. A bit too abstract. Inherit toggle to use the global query context that is set with the, such as an archive. So disable to customize the settings independently. Disabled. Okay, so this is customized. Post type, page post. Okay, posts. Cool. Newest to oldest. Okay, exclude sticky. They said they will exclude sticky posts. Excluded. Is this excluded? Force page reload. Browsing between pages require full page. Okay. Filters. Advanced. HTML elements. Main section. The site section. Taxonomies. Outdoor keyboard. Face page reload. Okay. All pop. So this group. So I'll try another the same trick. Row. I'll try edit this in a row. Add row. Now add stack in that row. I'm pushing this in this row. And I'll turn this group into a group, but switch this group into a stack. What? Why so big? How come so big, huh? So can I constrain? Oh, pardon. Can I constrain somehow this? So if I switch it back to group, it will turn back to more appropriate size. And if I oh, what? Stack. I'll do this. This is what I'll do. I'll delete this one and play something over here. Play this game. Duplicate. Duplicate this, while this square loop will just be reading only sticky posts, and this one will exclude sticky posts. How this looks, how does this work? How come this is so big? What if I now, can I squeeze in here anything else? If I duplicate one more, what will happen to content? Will it adapt the width? So they squeeze in. They squeeze in and go full width. So this is 3, but this is full width. Crazy full width. That's per row for you. Space between items. Style. Paddings. Dimensions. Padding, let's say padding this much padding, huh? This much? Just on the outsides. Padding 3, 4, margin, top, bottom, block spacing. Block spacing between what? Stack, use this stack. A stack. This goes on top. Yes, this is this. There's some now order. What about this block spacing? Block spacing, set custom size. No, not. Block spacing between what? Is this between elements? Is that it? So this will look then like this. This is that experiment. Yes. And there are some customizations available also on the bottom. Here we go. What next? As a matter of fact, I figured out that in a sense I don't need the theme, but I do need a theme, so I'm not quite sure. Because even for the titles I can have them full width or wide, because they don't need to be full width, but I might need to go to sleep now at 3 a.m. What is important, there is another aspect important for this site. It's the overall purpose of it, because I'm looking to separate gaming from the Malivir, keep as strictly web and TechSmart content, open workshops, and playful cyber self-sort hosting, hyper arcade gaming content, the division at gaming division at Edoga. And that should be represented somehow. I'm calling all creators, gamers, and whatever to join force and get on the board owning hyper arcade or all open web on aspect of the whole web, all gaming contents. Sit and push the effort owning the hyper arcade. Oh, this is... I'm done here. Out of coffee. My mustache is bitter from cigarette smoke. What's next? So I don't at the moment have content for... Okay, let's look. Now I have also here a list of categories. These are the widgets, and they have some properties, adjustable properties. Post counts. Don't show empty, show hierarchy. This is the thing. Now we're getting somewhere. This is the deal. How about this? Tags, largest, smallest, block name. Outline. Oh, this is cool. This is so cool. This is like buttons. Oh my. Default letter spacing, padding, oh, fill. Fit, yes, fit. No, this is something, this is awesome. Colors, styles, colors, where are colors? Where are colors here? Default typography, font, appearance. I know how I can tweak the colors here. What is this? These are the pages. These are pages. Pages list, advanced, nothing special here. Parent. Okay, parent, nothing. Style. Fit, fill, fixed. Fit. And for this widget, properties. Post content. Excerpts. Yeah, show excerpts. Just a little bit of words. Post date, give us date. Featured and no images, newest, oldest. Categories, author, roll number of items, 4. I said 4. Nothing, that's it. This is a little bit styled. Okay, so I obviously need some, galleries. Okay, there is a cool. So this third column, this is what I'll do for this, for the experimental and showcase. Query loop. I will do this. This will be my only sticky filter, and filter with taxonomy, and taxonomy will be category your null. Come on. Yes. And what I'll get here is just the gallery. And what I also can do here is content with nice. And if I want to add something here, I don't want featured image, I just want, well, I'll add, what can I add, what's available? Not using patterns, blocks, using blocks. What's in details? What would details do? Image, gallery. In the theme, from the theme, post list, start tagline, not tagline. I was looking to like featured gallery. I want to show just it, a featured gallery on the front page also. Now, is that a content or what is that? So, post list, query loop, title, excerpt, featured. This is the content. Displays the content, post or page. So, anything else related? Categories, next post, read more comments, comment from term description, archive title. So if I hit content, that will rely to this. This will be that. This will be it. is there anything I could do here? Content goes down, one step down, like this. Inner blocks use content width, advanced, no big deal. Styling, color, dimensions, minimum height. What would block spacing do here? Is it doing anything? No. Typography, background, link color, okay. So closing this and closing the tree view, we got a tiny gallery. Why is it so small? It opens the image. I don't need to open the image. So that is kind of it for now, in a sense, in one way, but not the full way. What's not good here is that okay, these are, in this example, these are the rows with stacks, and they are stretch around as they want, as they like, in a way. So what about this square loop? What are its properties? No special properties. Post template, what does it have? Align, grid view, list view, grid, wide, does it make it wider, larger? No, it doesn't make it wider, larger. How come this doesn't go any wider? What's the difference between these? In this row, this, come on, this stack, left top, this stack, left top, and this stack, left top. Position, advance, style, dimensions, block fit, style of this block, fit, as for this stack, style, fit, field, fixed. Why is this tight? Why is this a bit more narrow? What's going on here? Why is this third stack so square loop? What's up with this square loop and this square loop? So this square loop, disable this, how come so squeezed? Square loop, post template, is there something added here? Post template, oh, this is a grid or list. So what type of this? What's applied here? List grid. Post type list or grid. Exclude list. Oh, so it's not, it's a list now, and it's, what is going on here? Can I disable this grid? What's going on? What's going on? Preview, mobile. Mobile. It went over here. Why is not, where is the gallery? Where are images? Where are the images? Are somewhere. Here they are. Okay, understood. So back to desktop, what will happen? Why is this so spread around? Post template, not grid, disable grid. Disable grid, list. So how come this one has it and the others have none? Grid list. Block advanced style. List. And this switches to this. Still doesn't prove anything. And in the last stack, query loop, query loop settings for this query loop. 3 items per page, inner blocks use width, inner blocks use content width. I'm actually trying to force the stacks columns to kind of proportionally share the page widths. I'm just going this way all the way. List view, grid view, grid, list. This should work in the same way. Kind of they should look the same. There's no reason for, let's say, this to be narrow like this. Something's off here. Desktop. And it flows like this. Close this preview. List, query loop. Are they now equal? Is this equalization now? Tablet. Got it. I've tested all these stuffs. This is a template and content, tablet template, desktop, all spreaded around. And also looking into this structure, galleries, these are categories, galleries, photography, journal, so localization English, but this will all anyway be English, so this I'll get rid of these localization English. I'll drag this how-tos. Now I can edit this. This is why is this interesting? Categories and page list widget and the tags for to create a site map, like content structure, to help, like a site index, site map, to help crawlers to go through the page, to the website. I'm done for now. I'll be back. Even that I have this when I was working previously on a website, previous version, Croatian sister site to Edoga, I've created a page, my own page that would show this this page list and categories, widgets and tags, because usually if they're not on a page, published page, it's hard to get to them. Sometimes page 404, page not found, shows this on some WordPress themes. But that's not a fixed page, that's page like error message page. But it's possible to create a page that will contain that data like archive index, calendar indexed archive page. For calendar, what are the settings? What settings does archive calendar have? Calendar block, text background, dimensions, fit, fill, fixed. Not a big deal on it for it. And archive drop down, post count, month, year, week, day, a week, a month. I think it's better to have it for a month. Displaying as drop down is all too nasty looking. Drop down, styling on drop down, fill, fit, blah blah blah, ugly. old internet, style. I will save this. Save this just for the DD. But what I can do now, I'll be right back. I will not say that I'm disappointed, but in a way a bit surprised that nobody likes learning live, huh? No, nobody likes getting knowledge, having the power of knowledge given, gift that keeps giving, power of knowledge, huh? No, nobody that wants new skill. Everybody's too old or too late or doesn't have time to learn. Ah, that was cool, I don't want, I'll just go on corner. Who wants to use the brain? Use brain. That's harassment, that's bullying, using the brain. Why are you bullying me? You want me to think? Don't be aggressive. Dude, why are you aggressive? You want me to use brain? Be creative? No. Can I buy that? AI will think for me. I don't need to think. Why think? Well, wait, here's another video. This mobile app feed, content feed just proves that I don't need to use the brain. You see here's next status update. You see I don't need to use the brain. Here's the proof. There is an infinite feed of post update, status update on my app. So that's it. Well, if I have something to say, with 2 decades, 3 decades into the 3rd decade using the internet. Before the latest app was the previous app, and before previous app was one up before that one. They all appeared like the ultimates. Is there the ultimate app? Is the AI generative content, is that the snake eating its own tail? Closed the circle? In a way, I don't at all need the pages. Only thing about the pages, what's the deal with pages, is the center title. If I grab, I will create a new page, add new page, or wait. There are enough pages, existing pages, dashboard. Pages, all pages. My cat is seeking my attention. Oh, come on, kid. What's next? What was I about to do? I was about to create a page called, let's say, a sitemap. I add new page and call it sitemap. That's another important thing. Add new page. And I'll call it a sitemap and use default template. Sitemap. Sitemap. Separated. So here's the deal. I cannot change for pages created with the page template sitemap. it will always have the title in the center, and that slightly breaks can this, because I cannot edit here's the thing, I can't there's no properties to change for this, there's no block, this is not block, sitemap is defined, site page title is defined in this template. That's why I need another sort type of template. Or no, it depends on the content that goes right below after the title. And it depends on spacing, sitemap and image. That should be, well, there are tricks, there are just be playful, create, experiment, that's the thing. Sitemap, and from sitemap I want to drag these few things, like this whole section actually. I can just bring all this section I'm waiting. Oh yeah, waiting. Yes, waiting. Dooring. Paying. Dooring. Is there a GIF for that? Bang dooring. That's silly. I just go silly. Yep, everyone has little tricks. I don't know. This is actually not what I meant. Anyway, I don't know, it wouldn't be the same without you around here, so I'll take that back. I'll take that back. I just need this list view. She's sweet. She's a composite and NPC. It's a why virtual camera composite. This row, copy this row into here and all hell loose. Okay, so this page template. This page template forces everything in the middle, in this square section, square type of, and if I preview this kind of renders in respect of all the imposed rules from the parent template. And now we have a sitemap, people. We got a sitemap with archive calendar, recent posts. All I need to say it. I just need to say it out loud. Look at this nasty tag column. How come it was rendered this way? Why not this way? How come not this way? Nobody wants to learn, learning too hard. Is that it? Oh, and this, okay, and this type of block allows width wide, being wide, it allows this, but it won't work with this type of heading. It won't work with this heading. This heading is not even centered, but it kind of makes a point. And if I throw on it, would you like to see maybe this with the magnifier on? And with the in responsive mode, okay, with this in the emulator here, this won't work. This is a bit too wide for the mobile display, and this highlighter doesn't work well with this thingy. And if I try even force it to very small, let's say Note 2011, some very old Android, like Android 5. The content sticks out for a reason. Maybe if I F5 it. Oh, what's going on? Yeah, I just need to swallow my I just need to put a lid on my impulsive compulsory approach to dealing with this. A few years ago I worked in a software startup, and we kind of started like a freelance group grouped around the project effort. Hey, May on the fartis. Anyway, so I've started working, and over a year and a half, following year and a half working there in a startup, some chief of a team wanted and started introducing like stricter, more industry standard and rules and expectations, like quality assurance. But for the size of team and the size of project we were doing, it was quite a big chore. But I fell for it and just started incorporating the perfectionism while doing, especially in respect for the being able to ship to all available platforms. Like, it must work everywhere, on mobiles, desktops, tablets, no breaking. Actually, for the size of project and the amount of for the size of team, size of project, we were doing all departments. The same team was covering all departments: quality assurance, coding, developing, research. And that was 2 years crunching, and I said, I'm not crunching anymore. I'm out. If I need to crunch, I'll crunch my ideas. Okay, nice, cool, nice startup, low wages, maybe we'll flop, maybe we'll won't. With all the passion and love, I just don't apply this to my own ideas. No, I mean on the compulsory side of the like perfectionism side of things, not like phobia of germs and things, but in a code sense, quality assurance side of aspect. But since I take my website as a living canvas, I don't mind hitches and glitches here and there. And I use my site actually daily to keep notes, improve on it visually, tweak here and then polish, go back and back over and over it. I just don't force it because I'm the market for it, and I can. There's a direct conversation between developer of the project and the user, and I can feel the nature in the development and improvements are more generic, more organic. When I get onto the same glitch on a page or a website, enough times I will organically react on it and improve when I sit on the computer and all those circumstances meet together in the same point. When I just get on that page in the edit mode and then I go into this mode, few hours experimenting, alignment, layout, responsive mode, preview for mobile, preview for desktop, see where content spreads out on the page. For now, let's say this page, sitemap, is actually a tool for me, because except in the backend, in the dashboard, I don't see these details. And these are taxonomy stats, like compendium of website content categories. And this way I visually see how the structure of content. Since this specific domain will be the international, I don't need the localization category, so I'll just pull these how-tos into the parent, convert it into parent category and kill these. And I was about to do that, I guess. Go a dash aboard. And like I mentioned, also web crawlers, search engine, spiders use this for indexing this type of pages. So it's good to have it, and I need that type of thing for the to feed that AdSense Google's when I submit it for Google to review, to allow ads here for monetization. Someone's got to make money somehow, eh? Okay, I was hoping I was getting my boy, teach me boy. Slipped attention to the fartist chat. Hi. What the? I think I got it. Got it. Drop that over there. What? Why is it not? Okay, well, that's Bolt Plus for ya. Anybody installed Bolt Plus on their smart TV? Is it available on in the App Store on the smart TVs? What was I gonna do? I was about to go in these categories and 2.5 hours. Okay, that will work. 2.5 hours in the stream and how to quick edit, how to slug, no, cancel, edit. Well, my OBS says there are 133 dropped frames, so if you notice anywhere around frames laying around, well, let me know, I'll pick them up. Current category, none. These are none. How-tos. Well, so in the description for how-tos is here's how it's done here at edoga. Yeah. Okay. Just put those dropped frames in the evidence bag that. You might be in some Rebecca, you might be in, I would put for entertainment character, spin-off character, a few of impersonating my perception of somebody like you in a streamer forensics investigator. Bag those dropped frames for me. And you know, you use somebody, some actor as an avatar of somebody often in the stream and experience their taking the evidence back. Yeah. Take that frame, put it. Evidence. Evidence. You like Fate No More, huh? Mike Patton, huh? Nice. Nice hombre. Beautiful hombre, huh? Bello, un bello hombre. Mike Patton. Best vocalist of millennia, last ages of millennia. Evidence, swag gang, gang, gang. There's a band, not Fate No More, but another project Mike Patton is on. I think it's they've made an album last year. It's Mr. Bungle, and they've been like a crowned for best looking, sexiest hard rock band of I don't know, past 100 years. I don't know, is he now still with, he got the new hairstyle, like antlers looking braids. Oh, Mr. Bungle, just a few years ago I dwelled into that. Mr. Bungle, Tomahawk, Phantom Ass, I call it Phantom Ass. Best of the musics. Which one was that? Mr. Bungle, a band. It's though there are a few projects like Mike Patton is on, and he's very prolific. You can find, let's say, for example, Mike Patton with Ennio Morricone 10 years ago. 10 years ago, working on the project, some Italian classical ballads. Then he worked with another guy, jazz, contemporary jazz. You can, well, there is even on my YouTube, there is a playlist on my YouTube channel. I collected stuff over there. So how will this work now? I've saved that. Categories F5. I don't know, would my audio work here? Let's have a go, like maybe I'll give it a try here. I will give it a try in my head, play, unhidle, mic. That's it, this is it, what's this? Warning, this is my Odyssey feed. Mirror bundle. No, I'll go YouTube. Leave a pago, leave a page. Okay, YouTube, go YouTube.